Hey, it's Matthew, and this is the Hot Wheels 2020 Target exclusive Flying Customs box. Since these are Target exclusives, at Target they had to open the box before I bought this. So here's what's inside the box. So the box comes with two Nissan Skyline RS KDR 30s, two custom 72 Chevy Loves, two 13 Copo Camaros, one 57 T-Bird, one custom 69 Volkswagen Squareback, one Audacious, two 68 Novas, and one 71 Datsun 510. So I took out all the duplicates, and the first car is the Nissan Skyline RS KDR 30. And then on the back, it shows all the cars in the set. And I just ordered them from left to right. So this car is a dark blue. Then you can see the gold rims. Then RS Turbo down here. The gold stripe. And I really like the colors that they put on this car. I think they go pretty good. Then you can see the backlights, two exhausts. This car was made by Ryu Asada, and we just saw this car in Japan Historics 3. So the next car is a custom 72 Chevy Love. So this truck is red, then you can see the bed right here, gold rims like the last one, and you can see the zigzag stripes, yellow, orange, and black. And you see the Chevy logo, headlights, blue windshields, and the colors on this car don't go too bad. The last time we saw this was in a Walmart Zamax set, and we have yet to see this as a premium model. I just don't think it was necessary for the light blue windshields. Maybe like a darker black would be good. So next up is the 13 Copo Camaro. So you can see this car is blue. And it has the yellow, orange, and black stripes right here on the side. Then also on the hood. And then that's pretty much it. Has the basic rims. Then they didn't put any design for the backlights. We have seen this car many times, and this was in the Cars and Donuts set in 2017. So next is a 57 T-Bird. So this car is pink. You can see the red stripes, then the yellow. Hot Wheels right here. Another light blue windshield. Again, it would have been better if they did a different color because light blue doesn't really match pink. But overall, this car looks pretty nice. This car is very popular and was first made in 1978 by Larry Wood. So next up is a custom 69 Volkswagen Squareback. You can see the gold rims again. You can see that the first two cars also had the same rims. But then this car is of course yellow. Hot Wheels right here, then black stripes, and some thinner stripes, some more up top, and then on the hood. Phil Roman designed this car, and mostly every time we see it, it is a premium version. So next up is Audacious. So this car is purple, and you can see the blue and gray stripes on the side. Then again, blue windshield and windows on the car. I mean, this time it doesn't look too bad because there's blue stripes on the car. And the blue windshield up here, and on the back. This was a treasure hunt in 2004, but we would now call it a super treasure hunt. So second to last is a 68 Nova. So you can see this car is green, then a lighter green stripe, and then a yellow stripe. Then the lighter green continues onto the hood, same with the yellow right here. And the colors on this car don't look too bad. I like how they put a lighter green on an already green car. Maybe if they put some stripes on the top right here, it would have been a little bit better. This car has been made so many times since 2003, and we just saw it in my J-Case opening. So the last car is a 71 Datsun 510. So you can see the blue windshield, then the red and the blue right here, then 71. Car's of course orange. By now we all know that this is a very collectible Hot Wheel, so this is a great version to add to your set. Then red and blue stripe, 71. This is definitely going to be a hard car to find because a lot of people are going to go after this. It's definitely this Datsun and the Nissan Skyline that people are going to go after. Overall, this set isn't bad because it has a lot of nice castings, but each car is $1.50, and some regular mainlines, which are only $1, are better than some of these. My favorite car of this set is a Nissan Skyline. I just like how slick it looks with the gold on the bottom and then the black. But then definitely right behind it would be the Datsun 510. But this looks a lot more slick than this car. So thanks for watching. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and tell me what your favorite car is out of this 2020 Target exclusive Flying Custom set.